Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ari, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, and if you're new, welcome here. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is highly requested, okay? I have been having so many people ask me, how do you do your lashes? How 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 do you do your lashes? And today I'm going to tell you. I'm super excited about this because I just got a whole new pack of lashes. Your girl was running low. I will link them down below because I did get them from Amazon. So the first one is God is Girl, and it's these right here. Let me take it out the pack so y'all can see. So that is what they look like. Let me focus. This is what they look like. So fluffy. They even have the bottom lashes included. I have used this a few times, but they have 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18, and they're so soft, y'all. Then I have this other pack here, Mave Ping. We're gonna open it up. But I use this more for my spikes. So it has the spikes here, as you can see, the lengths 12, 15, 17, 19, and then they do have some lashes right here. When I'm running low on this one, I use these, but I prefer these because this has more of a natural look compared to these right here. We'll be putting my Lash Map and all the tools that I used down below. So if you do want to go ahead and use exactly what I use to get the look that you're going for, then it's going to be in the description down below. Also, I typically freestyle my lashes, so I don't exactly know how I'm going to do it until I start, because it might be days where I want to go with a dramatic look. It might be days where I want to go with a subtle look. So whatever we end up with is whatever we end up with at the end of the video. But just know it's going to be these two packs being used. I'm not going to talk through the video. I'm actually about to put my music on so I can lock in. If you do want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, follow, do everything. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. It's going to be in the description down below, as well as my TikTok, where I'll be up there talking smack, but I'm grown, so nobody can do nothing about it. So if you want to lock in and you want to tune into that, go ahead and head to the description and click all the links down below. And let's go ahead and jump right into this video. The products I'm going to be using, and don't shun me for it. It works for me. It won't work for everybody. I'll be using bonding glue. I'll be using the bonding glue. I know. Let me cook. They last longer. So as y'all see, I went ahead and did the bottoms. Now, I've never did the bottoms to this extent because I thought for some time I didn't like how it looked. But I think I like them. I didn't really do many details on the bottoms in the video, but in the pink pack, I used 5s and 1 6 at the corner. These are the lashes. I did go ahead and put this sealant on the bottoms and the tops, but sometimes I like to go through the top as well. Because I don't like that stickiness, and sometimes that stickiness comes from it not being sealed properly. So if you feel like you have to go in a few times, if you have to, just do it. So I like it. It definitely does give that mysterious look. Like, let me let y'all see. But for the most part, y'all, that is it. It has taken me pretty much forever to do that, but when you want your lashes to look a certain way, you're willing to take that extra time to do it. So this is the final look. Yeah, I just gotta do my skincare. These eat. So if y'all want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what other videos y'all want me to do. I be tinting my eyebrows too sometimes, but lashes is definitely something that I feel like I've been perfecting over time. These eat. These will probably have to be the best that I have done on myself personally. I like the way they look, especially the bottoms. It definitely does give that that extra look to it. So yeah, that's what I got for y'all today. Shout out to my best friend for requesting this, and everybody else as well. There's a few people on TikTok that was asking me about my lash map, so successfully bullied me again for a video. Bullying does work, okay? Productive bullying does work. So yes, I will definitely see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Peace.